So today I was blessed to have the opportunity to ride this. And I know y'all are probably like, okay, it's a Street Glide ST, but this ain't no ordinary Street Glide ST. This Street Glide ST, this one right here, in case you have not noticed, you got the 131.
Infinit Ryda.
So what is going on, people? If this is your first time by my channel, I am the Infinit Ryda. I make motorcycle content. Most of it's on Harley-Davidsons, but I do have other motorcycle content as well. But this right here is something special. This is special. I just rode it up here to where I'm at right now, and I've heard all the hype about the 131 motor. I heard, oh, it's so turkey. It's so amazing. It completely changes it. It do. This 131 is insane. Like, I've ridden some torquey motorcycles before, but to ride a bagger, I'm talking about a street glide, a touring bagger. That it is the performance model, it is the ST, but to ride one of these with the amount of torque that I just experienced is nuts. Another thing, this bike sounds beautiful. Y'all know that I am an exhaust note. I'm just addicted to exhaust notes. I ain't want to say what I was gonna say. I'm trying to keep it a little bit Disney plus. But I am insane with noise coming out of motorcycles, trucks, cars, vehicles. I like noise. And this thing sounds so good, it's ridiculous. Like, you wouldn't believe the sound that comes. Like, there's no point in me playing it for you because microphones or none of that. I mean, there's no point in me cranking up this exhaust for you because microphone, nothing's gonna do it justice. You gotta hear it in person. But we're gonna take a ride back to the dealership because, oh my God, this bike is, yeah, I'm lost for words right now. And if you're looking for a Street Glide ST that already got the 131 motor in it, this one is up at Speedway Harley-Davidson. This is a pre-owned unit with under 400 miles on it. But somebody bought it, put the 131 in there, and I guess, I don't know if it was too much power for them or what, but I love it. Like, if I was to own a bagger, it would be this or the Road Glide with the 131. I cannot go back to the 117 after riding this and knowing what the possibilities are. Like, this is nuts. Like, let's just get on the road so I can get back up here. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it crank up here because you're gonna have no choice. I gotta crank it up to get moving. Oh my God, that sounds insane. All right, let's go. Oh my God, I am not exaggerating at all. This bike is insane when it comes to torque, and it rides like it's meant for performance. Like, oh my goodness, I done fell in love with a bagger, y'all. I done fell in love. That sound though, that sound for real. Let me stop right here. All right, let's go. No point in sitting around. Oh my God, this motorcycle is insane when it comes to torque. The 131 motor completely changes. I don't even think I'm saying words right because I'm so lost for words. It completely changes the experience a rider will have that's on a bagger. So, like, a lot of people always are looking for the best of both worlds. They want that performance, but they also want that comfort. They also want the ability to be able to carry things. So they want bags. But until this performance bagger community started, it was either you're going to be on a sport bike or you're going to be on a bagger. It's one or the other. You want performance or you want comfort. You want touring capabilities or you want performance. You want to go fast and you want to like feel like your arms are being ripped out the sockets because you got to hold on to these handlebars, or do you want to be able to store your lunch and some luggage on the back? It's one or the I keep looking over there because my GoPro acts stupid. It's one or the other. But now this can do it all. This can, like, I am an adrenaline junkie, but the performance coming out of this 131 can definitely satisfy and crave that urge that I have to go like fast or ride aggressive at times. And the sound is, damn, I love the sound of this bike, man. I'm telling, oh, there we go. I touched the throttle a wee bit too much. Oh my God, I love this bike. Let's see, you got all your technology, you got your comfort. I got my navigation going right there, not that I need it right now. I got speakers on here if I want to crank up some tunes, but I got the tunes playing in the helmet. And I have bags if I want to store things, even though I have a backpack on right now. I could have put them in the bags, but again, this isn't my unit. It belongs to Speedway Harley-Davidson, so I just carried my backpack instead of unloading everything into the bags and riding without a backpack on. The torque, the performance, the throttle response, everything on this bike feels so refined and like so performance oriented. When you look online, the numbers of this bike, it says like, when you look online for the 117 motorcycle and you're comparing it to the 131 crate engine, it shows maybe like 5 to 10 foot-pounds of torque more, but it does not feel like that. It feels like a massive difference in the amount of torque that comes out of this machine, and that's because the torque kicks in a lot sooner, which we'll see here in a moment, maybe. We got a straightaway, so we can open it up a little bit. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. This thing 100% needs a saddleman or something on it. It has to, because I almost flew off the seat right there. Every gear it'll pull and it'll keep pulling and it'll keep pulling. Like, this bike is nuts. And I did not even give it the amount of throttle I could have, because there's a vehicle in front of me. I probably could have been at 90 or 100 miles per hour in a few seconds. If you're looking for performance while still having a bagger, the ST models with the 131 engine is the shit. That's where it's at. It's the shit. And I'm not like, for real though. Oh my God, I'm in love. So if I was to hit the lottery or something, I know what I'm going out and grabbing. I know what I'm going to get. If I can afford one of these right this moment, or if Harley-Davidson, for some reason, if you're watching this video and they want to bless me and say, you know what, we want to bless this Infinit Ryda guy with a Road Glide ST in the vivid black with the 131 kit on it. And I mean, if you want to throw some Olins on there, I would appreciate it, even though I know this ain't gonna happen. That would be amazing. I love this motorcycle. It's just, this is a game changer right here. Like, people, you see the videos, like y'all are watching this one, but this video is not doing it justice. It's nothing to what I'm experiencing while being in the saddle on this bike. The experience is, it's insane. Like, Harley, what did you do? Like, oh my God. I'm in love with this performance. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. All right, let's have some fun, see what it feels like. Oh God. My goodness. Y'all hear it? Can y'all hear the sound of this bike? My goodness, this is what you call a performance bagger, baby. And it, like, while you're at speed, like, everything feels so, it just feels tight and refined. Like, It's so stable. Golly. Even the braking. Performance braking, baby. Y'all know it got them Brimbos. Brimbos changed the game. Sheesh. All right, let's do it again. Now I see why them bagger racers, the people who race baggers, now I see why they got rear sets and they linked in, so you don't go flying off the back. This joint, this is crazy. This is crazy that this bike has this much performance. Like, lost for words. Again, lost for words. I just feel so blessed right now to be able to be out riding this amazing motorcycle. Like, I've ridden a lot of bikes, but this one did it for me. This one did it. You gotta count your blessings. You gotta realize when you are blessed with experiences and opportunities to experience things, like experiencing this 131 motor, man. Damn. Woo. Oh my God, my adrenaline up. I wanna take this baby home for the weekend or something. Like, I wanna go have some fun. Oh my God. If y'all can see my face right now, I know y'all ain't gonna never see that probably, but you know, if y'all could, my smile right now, I look like that thing off that movie Smile. Like, it's ear to ear. Ear to ear, man. This bike is where it's at. Like, it's got like this baby got passing power, go forward power, leaning power. This got every type of power you want. Oh my God, but I'm pulling back up now. I know y'all probably wanted me to talk more specs or talk more about, like, oh yeah, you know, this bike has this bike is putting out this amount of foot-pounds of torque, and yeah, it'll do this, and you got your infotainment center provided by Harley-Davidson, and it's got four thingies up there. You got 4 gauges, and this, that, man, I ain't doing that today. Y'all better just enjoy this excitement I got right now. Oh my God, y'all need to thank Speedway Harley-Davidson for putting this big old smile on my face today. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, do it. If you ain't subscribed to Speedway Harley-Davidson's channel, do it. If you have not hit the bell notification, do it. If you ain't commented on this video yet, laughs or something, do it. I'm told to stop. Hey John, why am I stopping? I thought it was somebody in there. I'm like, I don't see a bike. Why am I stopping? Make sure you hit the bell notification. Do all that good stuff that makes me happy. I'll check y'all out in that next one. Deuces.